The first way I rigged the game was, instead of me trying to figure out, should I learn scripted selling or should I learn scriptless selling? Which feels right to me? Which makes more money for me? Which allows me to do the inner work to become the person I want to become? I didn't have to spend 2 years or a year or 6 months trying scripted selling, paying a load of money to invest in the scripts and the training to learn scripted, and then go, oh, actually, shit, this isn't the way I want to learn sales. This is, in my opinion, my experience, way less effective. And it doesn't allow me to become the person I'm proud of, that can look in the mirror and say, I've mastered communication, human beings, understanding people, inner work, spirituality, so I can close someone by who I am, not what I'm saying and faking my body language and tonality. I didn't have to figure that out for 6 months or a year and a half or 2 years and blow a bunch of money to then go, oops, made the wrong decision, hindsight 2020 vision, and the $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 I've invested in the wrong training, and also all of the time that it takes to then unwind your ego and unwind the learning, that you go, well, actually have to kind of ditch all the stuff that I thought I knew and start from zero, more or less start from zero. So the first way that I cheated in a practical example is I started sales on day one, and my mentor told me, these are the things that you need to know to become a unicorn. You need to learn to sell without a script. You need to do the deep inner work. You need to master spirituality. You need to read these books. You need to change your environment in this way. He literally, I was like a human guinea pig for him of like, this is how you become a unicorn as quickly as humanly possible. I didn't have to think about anything. The only thing that I struggled with was sometimes I was a dickhead that just didn't do what he said. Well, that's human nature, but not doing the right thing because you don't have the mentor that's telling you the right thing. You're just playing the game on difficult mode. When I just played it on easy mode, I'd already seen the end of the game because I could stand on the shoulders of my mentor, the giant, and say, oh, look, this is where I need to arrive to. I can see this. I can see what it looks like. I could feel and experience and hear his voice, his essence, his energy, his frequency. And I knew that's who I want to be. So I didn't have any guessing or any wasting money on the wrong things. So the first tangible way was that from the moment I started my journey to mastering high ticket sales and the methodology, I didn't have to trial and error a bunch of different things. I could just start from the end of where my mentor left off, which is he'd mastered sales, he'd mastered human beings, he'd mastered communication, he'd mastered himself from physical health to spiritual health to mental health to mindset to the right beliefs, everything. He'd mastered everything. And I could just start from where he finished off and go, okay, he's figured out these are the holy grail items in spirituality, fitness, health, mindset, sales, communication, everything. I can just implement the things that he's already figured out. He spent, 25 years thereabouts figuring out this is an okay item, this is a bad item, this is a holy grail item. And he just handed me the holy grail. And that was the map, and I just followed the map. So that's the first way. I want to give you one visual diagram right now, which is why I say I didn't have to go from 0 to 100. I just went from 95 out of 100 to 101. Think of it like this. You got this bar, and this is 0, and this is 100, and this is where my mentor finished. I didn't have to go back to square one and go all the way along to 100. I just got to basically where he finished, did one more than he did, and then I was now the unicorn. I was the champion. It's like when we talk about Isaac Newton, he took all the theory, the studying, the experiments from previous scientists, and he just went one more. Think of that, like one more step, and you are the champion. One more second quicker that you ran the race, and you're the champion. Whereas someone before you had to start the whole race from 0 and figure it out. All you've got to do is go one step further and you're the industry leader. You're the unicorn. Hopefully this is computing, because to me, there's only 2 ways I can look at it. It's fucking obvious common sense, or holy shit, I cheated. I need to tell everyone on YouTube and on my Instagram, yeah, like I just started where my mentor ended and did one extra step, and holy shit, I'm training Hormozi's team. I'm making $100K a month in commissions. My social media blew up because of everything I'd been taught, not because of me. It blew up because I just stood on the shoulders of giants. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.